Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my mint mongoose for the month of November. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly remind you that I have a Christmas giveaway going on right now until December 12th, 2020. If you would like to enter that giveaway, I will leave a link right up here. See the little letter I. Click on that at any point during the video and it will take you to my Christmas giveaway until December 12th, 2020. And I will also leave the information in the description box down below. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you what I got. Now, for those of you who don't know what Mint Mongoose is, it is a jewelry subscription service. You get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to your house every month. You get to pick your own metals. You get to pick rose gold, silver, or gold. I believe it's $15.99, but I'm not 100% sure. So check the description box down below and I'll have all the correct information in the description box. Okay, so this is the way it looks when you open it. You always get a nice little piece of Werther's candy. And she has this lovely envelope that it comes in. And she also includes a little postcard and she tells you about the pieces and what inspired her to make these pieces every month. Every month she has a theme. Here is the postcard that came with this, and it has an oyster shell with a pearl. And it says, "Pearls, a symbol of integrity, purity, and wisdom, seemed like the perfect medium. While the actual material in the set isn't pearl, I feel the natural shell embodies the symbolic spirit in an elegant way." And then she shows you a picture of all 3 pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open this. And I always pick rose gold as my metal. My daughter actually got me into rose gold. But now I think I'm going to go back into my account and change it. I think I'm just going to either have her surprise me, because that can be an option. You can say, surprise me, and you might get silver one month, gold one month, and rose gold the next. Here is her little thank you card she always sends. Okay, so here are the 3 pieces. I'm going to open them. And I'm going to start with, I think these are the earrings, so we'll start with those first. And yes, I did get rose gold, so let me put these on real quick. And then I have 2 necklaces. So I'll put this one on first. This is the one it looks like where she got her inspiration from pearls. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. It looks like a little purse to me. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Okay, I put that on the shortest setting so I can put the other necklace on and have a layered look for you. So let's go ahead and rip this baby open. Oh, okay, this matches the earrings very well. Now this is going to be a very longer necklace, and it looks identical to the earrings that I have in. So let me go ahead and put this on. Hopefully you guys can see that. I hope that's picking up. Let me sit back. So here's all 3 pieces. Has the lovely earrings. The earrings go really well with this necklace, so I like it. It's a pretty set. I'm looking in the mirror if you see me looking over that way. Yeah, so this is a lovely set. Like I said, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Remember, I have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave the link right up here. It is my Christmas giveaway. It is open until December 12th, 2020. So if you haven't entered yet, definitely take advantage of that and go enter that. And as always, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.